Hello friends, in addition to this recipe today on this video, we're also going to name the winner of Name This Soup. Hello folks, welcome to another video by Chef Dino at channel Dino Valbone, coming to you from Wild Haven Acres in beautiful, beautiful central coast of California, blessed with another wonderful, wonderful warm day. Today I have a special treat. I figured I'll show you one of my most favorite drinks, cocktails that I think almost everybody would love. Today what we're going to make is caramel chocolate martinis. Yes, caramel chocolate martinis. I can just see some eyes open wide. This is such an awesome, delicious drink. I just warn you ahead of time. You're not going to stop at one. You're going to want 2, 3, 4. Next thing you know, you'll be on the floor. 2, 3, 4. Next thing you know, you'll be on the floor. So, to make this scrumptious, yummy, delicious cocktail, you will need a vanilla flavored vodka. We have the Smirnoff brand here. You can use any brand as long as it's vanilla flavored. You're gonna need a liqueur. The one I use is Salted Caramel by Bailey's. Make sure this is the caramel, not the coffee. You will need a can of whipped cream. Any whipped cream of your choice will do. You will need some dark chocolate. Okay, you can use dark chocolate, you can use milk chocolate, you can choose any chocolate you like. Of course, you're gonna need your martini glasses. You're gonna need a shot glass for measuring our portions. Gonna need a device to grate your chocolate, and you're gonna need a martini shaker with ice in it. All right, so I'm gonna come right back and I'm gonna show you how I make this yummy, yummy, delicious cocktail. Okay, before making this cocktail, 2 notes here. One is that you want to make sure you use large enough of a martini shaker to accommodate all the liquor you're going to put in there. I had the small one out in the beginning of this video, and I realized that that's not big enough for making 2 drinks at the same time, so I switched out to the bigger one. Second note, if you missed the opening of this video, today we're going to announce the winner for our Name That Soup video. If you haven't seen that video, it's on my channel. It's titled Named This Soup. I made my own recipe vegetable soup, and I asked my audience to make comments as to what they would name it. We got a bunch of very good names. We have selected one. We're going to share that with you at the end of this video. The winner of Name That Soup video is going to win a jar of our Wild Haven Acres fig jam. This is Italian ever bearing. This jam is packed with fruit. It's low on sugar. The sweetness comes from the figs mainly. It's organic, it's delicious, and you can only get it at Wild Haven Acres by participating in little giveaways that I do on my channel, and or you can order this online at wildhavenacres.com. Let's get back to making our drink. So, like I said, I like to go 3 parts of the Bailey's Salted Caramel liqueur. Hopefully I don't spill this, kind of tricky. To 2 parts of the vodka.
You can hold it over there.
All right. There you go. You got that. Run away. I'm gonna do what my beautiful wife suggested, since she drinks more than I do. how true that is, but all right. I'll put this aside. You will make a little mess. It's okay. That's what this is all about. It's about having fun. All right, now comes the fun part. You want to get this nice and chilled. All right. What a gorgeous day today out here in Wild Haven Acres. I need to get a... There you go. Oops, I got it off, but I made a mess. There you go. You know, this shows you that bartenders who don't make a mess are so skilled.
It's a talent.
Yeah, shout out to all the bartenders who can do this without making the kind of mess that I am.
That's
here.
why they have a towel tucked in there.
That's the trick. All right, excellent. That's what I'm gonna do. So grab me a towel. I'm gonna clean this up. There you go, like it never happened. All right, this is the fun part. This is where the whipped cream comes in. Just like that. And then we are going to take our chocolate.
Smells good already.
This is a very delicious drink. Like I said, please drink responsibly. You can make it as strong or as weak as you like. Of course, the vodka has it's 80 proof, so it's 40% alcohol. Is it 40%? And the Bailey's liqueur also has about 17% alcohol in it. So there you go.
It makes a good after dinner drink, like almost like a dessert.
Dessert, yeah, I agree. So there we are. We're gonna toast to the winner of our Name the Soup competition. I'm gonna go over the names that were suggested, and then we'll let you know who won. First name was Vegetable Explosion Soup. Second was Wild Haven Hearty Vegetable Soup. Third, we had Lezat Vegetable Soup. We had Dino's Delicious Soup. And this one, I can't pronounce it because I don't know if it's a word. It's Shamuiladile. So we were kind of contemplating between Vegetable Explosion and Wild Haven Hearty Vegetable Soup. So we decided to go with
Vegetable Explosion.
Vegetable Explosion wins this contest. If you didn't win this time, no worries. Very soon we'll have another with our fig jam giveaway and other gifts and prizes. So we're gonna drink to, here you go, be careful, Vegetable Explosion.
Congratulations. That's a great name.
Oh yes. Excellent, excellent name. You're gonna get a white mustache.
That's yummy.
From the cream. Again, congratulations to Vegetable Explosion. Thank you for joining me in this beautiful day in this video. Live, laugh, love, be kind to each other, be kind to animals, be kind to me. Give me a like, subscribe, a thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. Kindness can be as simple as clicking on the subscribe and the like button. And what it's gonna do is bring you these awesome, wonderful recipes that I share with you. And we enjoy them together. Have an awesome day. I'll see you in my next video very soon. So, how do you like your cocktail? Lazat.
You're definitely gonna want more than one.
There you go. All right.
It's almost gone.
Yeah. Well, there's more. See you guys in our next video.